Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to enable 2FA Fortnite computer. To begin, log into your Epic Games account. Here, after this on the profile and select account. Now, go to the password and security section. Here you can find various options to use authentication in Fortnite. For this example, click Setup in the email for two-factor authentication option. Now you can enter the code that you receive in the email. This code will always be different. After this, click on Enable Email Authentication. Now you can use the 2FA in Fortnite. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.